63713 requirements as to lighted equipment. Let's get this going. Subsection 1, headlamps on motor vehicles. Every motor vehicle other than a motorcycle or a motor-driven cycle shall be equipped with at least 2 headlamps, with at least one on each side of the front of the motor vehicle, which headlamps shall comply with the requirements and limitations set forth in section 63731. That's going to be a separate video, so make sure you come back and check it out. All right, subsection 1 is basically stating that any vehicle that you put on the roadway has got to have 2 headlights, one on each corner of the vehicle. That's why you'll get improper equipment citations that are be one headlight. One headlight's out, then it's a citation. Subsection 2, headlamps on motorcycles. Every motorcycle shall be equipped with at least 1 and not more than 2 headlamps, which shall comply with the requirements and limitations set forth in section 63731. Subsection 3, rear lamps. Every motor vehicle, trailer, semi-trailer, pole trailer, and any other vehicle which is being drawn in a train of vehicles shall be equipped with at least 1 rear lamp mounted on the rear, which when lighted shall emit a red light plainly visible from a distance of 500 feet to the rear. However, any antique automobile as defined under sections 27-1947, which is going to fall under your tags and taxes laws, that's rolled into that. I'll do another video on it. And any street rod as defined under section 27-1956.6 may be required with 1 or more rear lamps that have been modified to emit a blue, violet, or purple light resembling rear lamps appearing on some American automobiles originally manufactured in the 1940s and 1950s. In the 1940s and 1950s, they had some vehicles that had different colored taillights. This was before all your laws come into effect and federal government stepped up and put regulations on what was going to be which. That's why almost all manufactured vehicles in some form or another, all the lights are the same color. While your reds are on the back, your ambers are on the corners and sides. That's indicators and marker lights. There's a reason why they're that color. And to clear this up real fast, your rear tail lights and brake lights. On your brake lights, that does not include the third light up at the normally in the middle or the top. That third light is an auxiliary light. Some cars have them, some don't. It's a extra feature you have to pay for, so therefore it's not normal lighting equipment. That one does not count as your single brake light. You got to have at least 1 brake light on either side of the rear that can be seen from 500 feet away, day and night. That's why you'll see cars with 1 headlight get a citation, and you'll see them with 1 tail light not, because it's not illegal. So keep that in mind. And the third brake light, the auxiliary light, falls under a case law, which we haven't went over case laws on this channel yet. I will get to them after we go over state statutes. My plans is to go over state statute. Once I get them over with, I want to do a video on your permit test, your license test, things of that nature. Then I want to go over House bills and case laws, so we'll all be under either a rear lamp or a separate lamp shall be construed and placed as to illuminate with a white light to the rear registration plate and render it clearly readable from a distance of 50 feet to the rear. Any rear lamp or tail lamp together with any separate lamp for illuminating the rear registration plate shall be so wired as to be lighted whenever the headlamps, tail lamp, or fender lamps are lighted. That right there is why it is against the law to not have a tag light. That's where it falls under your rear lamps. It is an improper equipment ticket. You can be stopped and wrote for not having your tag illuminated. Subsection 4, lamps on bicycle. Every bicycle shall be equipped with a lighted white lamp on the front thereof, visible under normal atmospheric conditions from a distance of at least 500 feet in front of such bicycle, and shall also be equipped with a reflex mirror reflector or lamp to the rear exhibiting a red light visible under light conditions from a distance of at least 500 feet to the rear of such bicycle. Yes, you can receive a traffic citation on a bicycle for not having light. There you go. Another thing while we're on bicycles have to follow all traffic laws. If they're going to ride the bike on the road, when they come to a stop sign, they can't just go across, they have to stop. Keep that in mind. Subsection 5, lights on other vehicles. All vehicles not required in this chapter to be equipped with special lighted lamps shall carry 1 or more lights, lamps, or lanterns displaying a white light visible under normal atmospheric conditions from a distance of not less than 500 feet to the front of such vehicle, and shall display a reflex reflector or red light visible under light conditions from a distance not less than 300 feet to the rear of such vehicle. That's going to be such things they're talking about: road equipment, road machinery, tractors, your implements of husbandry, any of your farm equipment, things like that. A lot of your farm equipments are required to have the slow moving vehicle triangle on the back. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below what you want to see. Let's keep it going. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.